Hello, this is Bob. Uh, I want to share this icon. Uh, it's a 1952 CJ3A. I picked this up almost a year ago. So it was all in great shape, really. Hardly any rust other than some areas, which is no big deal. First off, I just want to let you know this is the top is a canvas I made. I ordered the material online, and you see this, the snap button. See this? I measure the distance, and here's the front side. And inside here, there's a little quarter-inch rod here. Okay, this is the rod that insert through here, right here. Oh, I can't handle this thing at the same time. Yeah, this is see, I insert the rod through this fold area here, and it goes through here. Okay, goes all the way down to there, and inside, once I have it in through this tube, there's a tube right here, hollow tube inside here. Okay, right here. Once I get it inside, I just flip it over. See? And before I put this up, I put some this what do you call this? Oh, this is the thing I bought from online, more like a belt material. See? Okay, so I put that in before I mount the canvas on. So steady this support here, this two-piece support here. All right, and just this this snap. So it came with the Jeep. And so all I had to do just snap this on. Okay. You have to take the time, put the snapped on the canvas. Otherwise, it looks kind of ugly. All right. And I will show on, this is part one, so mainly it's on do it yourself DIY canvas. Okay. And here I had the side mount wheel, spare tire wheel. Okay. So I will make part 1 through 5. Well, I don't know how many parts I can break down or describe this Jeep. Okay. All right. So look for part 2 on the front disk conversion. Okay. Maybe you can see this. Okay. I'll give you more detail. And it's not very simple. Even on YouTube, the guy show how he did it. But this was on CJ2. But this is CJ3A. It's way different from the setup. Alright. Thank you for watching. Bye now.